Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 4th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2024. Candy yams are a staple and a must-have at every Southern Thanksgiving table. So today I'm going to share with y'all another fantastic candy yam recipe. Last year I shared with y'all my mama's stovetop candy yams, and a couple of years ago I shared with y'all a baked candy yam, and I'll post the link to those recipes down below in the description box. This time we're going to do another baked candy yam recipe, but with a twist. How does candy yams with pineapple sound? That's right, sugar. Baked candy yams with crushed pineapple. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be loaded with warm spices. It is next level good. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and the perfect new addition to your Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner. And everybody will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Apple Punch. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your spices, your crushed pineapple, and get your sweet potatoes sliced in sugar, because we're about to bake some candy yams with pineapple magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, on my cutting board I have my sweet potatoes. I'm using 4 large sweet potatoes, and we're going to peel them using my potato peeler, or you can use a knife. Alright, as soon as I get through peeling my sweet potatoes, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through peeling my sweet potatoes, and I removed the ends. Now we're going to cut them to 1/4 of an inch thick slices. And keep your fingers out the way. Just like that. And we're going to place them into my 9 by 13 inch baking pan, or you can use a 2-quart baking pan. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my sweet potatoes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cutting my sweet potatoes. Look how nice and pretty they are. Beautiful orange. So now we are going to set these aside. Time to make that luscious sauce. In my medium pot, I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to let that melt. And while the butter is melting, I'm going to drain my crushed pineapple. I have a 120-ounce can, but we just need half, so we're going to use 10 ounces. Going to pour it into my mesh strainer and measuring cup. We need the pineapple and the juice. And save the other half for another use. Let's check on the butter. The butter is nice and melted. Now it's time to add in our sugars. 1½ cups of white sugar and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, the crushed pineapple, the pineapple juice, and our yummy spices. 1 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of kosher salt. Give it a quick stir until it's well blended. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the mixture has came to a boil, so now we're going to cut the fire off. And our last ingredient, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful, of pure vanilla extract. And stir that in. Alrighty, our sauce is done. And it smells so good. I can smell all the spices and the vanilla. Now we're going to pour it on top of our sweet potatoes. Just pour it all over, like so. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Alright, my friends, now we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil. Now it's time to place them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to bake cover for 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, it's been 45 minutes. Now we're going to remove the foil. And we're going to baste them with the sauce so they can be nice and moist. Alrighty, now we're going to put them back in the oven and let them continue to bake uncovered for another 25 minutes until they're tender and caramelized. Alright, my friends, let's check them and see if they're tender. Perfect. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to baste them a little bit more. All right, my friends, there you have it. Baked candy yams with pineapple. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my bowl right here and I poured some sauce right on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The yams are perfectly cooked and the sauce is super flavorful. I could taste the spices and I love the chunks of pineapple. A Thanksgiving classic updated. This baked candy yams are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Baked candy yams with pineapple licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.